guest bana 4,500. Bana ni job also
21, 20. 21.
I'm running out.
Woo! The room is so cool. Hello guys, so I have just been allocated my room and I'd love to give you a quick room tour for one of the rooms here in Sarova White Sands in Mombasa. So I'm standing at the entrance door and I'm going to show you around. So right ahead of me is the door leading to the balcony or the porch. On my left is the washroom. As you can see, it's so beautiful. Here is the bathroom. So pretty. Here is the toilet. You also have a landline there. You could make a call while you're making a call. Yeah, there's a bag there for sanitary pads. There's beautiful plant over there. Then there is the shower gel. Oh my god, I should have not carried the shower gel, but then that's fine. Yeah, there's toiletries, face towel, tissue paper, dustbin, the sink area. You can arrange your makeup here. I'll probably arrange my face soap and stuff here. Then there's water here. There's a serviette box. There's a beautiful mirror light over there. There's hair dryer, beautiful lamp, and then there's this beautiful babe here. Yeah, so that's the bathroom.
So that was on my left. On my right, I have these closets that I will definitely arrange some of my clothes and shoes. Here there are hangers. There's a laundry bag here, and I think laundry list. The wardrobe is so cute. Sorry. Then there's this other side. We have the stand for ironing. There's a safe here and more storage. More storage and more storage. Here we have my suitcase. It arrived here ahead of me. That is good. Then here is your babe. Once again, there's a full-length mirror. The arrangement of this bed. I wish I can move them so that they're one. Can I? No, I don't think I can. I already laid down the bed. There's a net there. There's tea, coffee, water. Yeah. Then I think there's more stuff here. Oh, there's a fridge here. There's a fridge here. There's more storage here. No storage. Yeah, then there's a television there. Then there's a desk here you can use for reading. There's I think this is what is it called? room there. I think this is room service menu. There's a landline here. I think that's Wi-Fi. And then that's your bed. Yeah, so at the balcony, there's an extra chair there and coffee table. There's a beautiful curtains.
And the fact that this place is so clean and there's fresh air makes everything so beautiful. The balcony here, beautiful chairs. Then that's my view, the view of the pool. That's a view of the pool, but there's also another view of the ocean. I can't see it from here, but I can walk there and then I show you how it looks like. So I didn't like the fact that my room has like 2 beds separated, and I'm only sleeping here 1 person, and the beds are too small. So I've decided to like push them so that it looks like it's 1 bed. Let me show you what I did. You see, sorry, it's a little bit messy. I'm the one who has created the mess. But now it looks like it's 1 bed. It's 1 bed, except that now the net has overlapped, but I feel much better. I feel much better. Though the net has really overlapped. I'm just hoping there's no mosquitoes. So far, that's how my room looks like. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next one.